to support the health promotion, growth, and several health-related enhancement. So we are looking into probiotic, lecithins, nutraceutical, grapeseed extract, and ginger extract. They talked about, but in India, more of we are into natural diet. But now we are also going into that era of using nutraceutical. So this study, before we go into a proper intervention, we thought to have a proper look that what kind of grapeseed extract are in market, what are getting used by people, and what we are doing, how we are different. So we try to do the nutraceutical value of grapeseed extract manufactured by two processes. One is water-based enzymatic technique, where the analysis process is HPLC, and one is the alcohol-based water-based enzymatic extraction, where the analysis is in GC process, that is gas chromatography, and another one is alcohol-based extraction, where the analysis is HPLC. Now, as we know that grapeseed extract is really rich in proanthocyanidin, which is very powerful antioxidant in scavenging reactive oxygen species and ROS-induced diseases. Also, it's preventing cancer and very important to boost our immune system. So, grapeseed, not only the extract can be also like manufactured from the skin and the seed itself. So, manufacturing process. So, while we were doing the R&D, the research and development, we have really find out that the manufacturing process is one of the best, one of the deciding factor that what should be the bioavailability of the product. So, if there is an analysis process of HPLC and analysis process of GC, which product has that novelty? That R&D is very important, and in Mumbai, in Bombay, Maharashtra, India, we are trying to do such R&D. Now, extraction and analysis, as I have already told, that alcohol-based extraction where the analysis technique is HPLC and another one is GC. Now, the major advantages of water-based enzymatic extraction is that the end product, the nutraceutical, which is consumable and what we actually consume, is free of alcohol residue, which is the best thing we can actually provide by GC technique, and the nutraceutical is free of alcohol, which enhance the bioavailability of the entire product. So I will say that I am here representing Best Source Nutrition, who are actually producing this thing, because in my research also I have seen that there are lots of product in the market what people are intaking, but then value, novelty and importance is very important. Now, along with the same thing, HPLC actually involves lots of cost, where GC is more like water-based, and so the alcohol is not involved. And so we can actually see that, okay, it's a simple, cost-effective, accurate method has to be identified in quantification of proanthocyanidin, the antioxidant, what we get from grapeseed and grape skin extract. Now, this is the product which we are trying to intervene in cancer research, where we try to see in a placebo and control study that what actually is the outcome in controlling the cancer or preventing the cancer. So basically we are using water-based enzymatic technology to create our product, and then the intervention will be there. I have jotted down several studies possible, the reviews where HPLC and GC are there to compare the bioavailability of the grapeseed extract. And then we really found that in based on composition biology, it's not possible to give the entire thing here because this is a PPT, but we have included everything in the main paper, which we're gonna submit and publish soon. So the utility, composition and bioavailability of the end product is really important, and that is the superiority of the GC is always there over HPLC. And so that is the presentation. My thing was really quick because I knew that, okay, this is not something, a very intervention and research. So we gonna do the research.
Antioxidant which is extracted by the GC or HPLC, and how would we distinguish in between those, both the methods?
Yes, sir.
Which methods is better for to extract the like
grape
that.
seeds, sir, yeah.
Grape
That
seeds
is important.
Yes, it's from the grape seeds.
Right.
Thank you. Thank you very